This is Velayudham Ashwin from Chennai. Watch till end. To view this in Tamil, just type in the Google Velayudham Ashwin. Telegram link I have given in the description column of this video. Join with us and grow rich. Business proposal to you. We want to buy a finance company or any company dealing finance at any place in Tamil Nadu. The company may be a loss-making company, or owners decides to close down the company. We buy these companies. Owners, partners, managing directors, or authorized persons can call us immediately. Brokers also welcome. 8122414652. 8122414652. Bank Action Properties Sale. Flat number A1, ground floor, built up area 1180 square feet. Address door number 23, plot number B 130, First Cross Street, Keelbagh Garden Colony, Chennai. Pin code 6 lakhs 10. Bank has quoted the price 85 lakhs. Action date 2 August 2024. Time 11 am to 4 pm. Last date for EMD 1st August 2024 up to 4 pm. Contact Punjab National Bank, 769, second floor, Spencer Plaza, Chennai, 6 lakhs 2. Phone number 044 2850 2043. 2850 2043. Another number 044 2850 2010. Mobile number 9840037314. 9840037314. Please first fix appointment with the bank and proceed, or call me Velayudham Ashwin 8122414652. 8122414652. We arrange bank loan for this property. Dear friend, press like button of this video. You will get our videos continually. Thank you very much. To view my answers for your questions regarding banking, real estate, etc., click the below YouTube link or type the below website address in the Google. Velayudhamashwin.blogspot.com. Phone number is 8122414652. Thank you very much. We can meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.